Hey there, food enthusiasts! Today, I'm sharing the secret to making the most delicious homemade tomato sauce you've ever tasted. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, this recipe is super simple and oh so rewarding. First things first, you'll need some fresh ripe tomatoes. I recommend using Roma tomatoes because they're meaty and have fewer seeds. Give them a good wash and cut a small X at the bottom of each tomato. This will make it easier to peel them later. Next, bring a pot of water to a boil. Carefully drop the tomatoes into the boiling water for about 30 seconds. You'll see the skins start to peel away. Quickly transfer the tomatoes to a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking process. Once they're cool, you can easily peel off the skins. Now chop the tomatoes into small pieces. Don't worry about being too precise. They'll cook down beautifully. Set them aside and grab a large pan. Heat up some olive oil over medium heat. Add finely chopped onions and garlic and sauté until they're soft and translucent. Here's where the magic happens. Add the chopped tomatoes to the pan, along with a pinch of salt, a bit of sugar to balance the acidity, and a splash of red wine if you're feeling fancy. Let everything simmer for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. The tomatoes will break down, and the flavors will meld together into a rich aromatic sauce. For an extra burst of flavor, add some fresh basil and a sprinkle of oregano towards the end of the cooking time. These herbs will elevate your sauce to the next level. And there you have it. A homemade tomato sauce that's perfect for pasta, pizza, or anything your heart desires. Remember, the key to a great tomato sauce is patience and love. Take your time, enjoy the process, and you'll be rewarded with a dish that's truly special. So next time you're in the mood for some comfort food, skip the store-bought stuff and make your own tomato sauce from scratch. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking! Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, bon appétit!